Hey crafters, so today we're going to be making this fun KSCraft Lover Store Game Machine Shaker card, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial because here it is next. Hello crafters, I'm coming in with another fun KSCraft design team project, and today I'm going to be making a birthday card for my son. His birthday is coming up on the 15th and he's going to be 18 years old. I can't believe it. My kids are growing so fast. Yes, my daughter's was just January 5th. What am I saying, November? What? Okay. January 5th, and so they are not even a year apart. So yes, I had them bam bam. But anyway, I want to show you the pieces really quick. I did go ahead and take this little die apart. And what I do love about this die for this little game piece, it's like a game player, like the Nintendo Switch, okay? Although I don't think they can call it the Nintendo Switch, but it looks very similar to it. And so my son loves gaming, and I thought for the perfect birthday card, this would be awesome. So what I do love about this is that it has the little impressions to show you where the pieces go, the little layering pieces for little buttons and controllers. So I thought that was really fun. I did find this image on Google. I went ahead and put it into Adobe and made it smaller to fit for my little game piece, okay? For my shaker pieces, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to use yet, but I'm probably going to be using black, white, red, and blue because that is what I'm going to create this. I'm going to make his Nintendo Switch red, and the base card is going to be blue and white. So anyway, let's go ahead and cut out all the pieces, and I will be right back. Okay, as I'm cutting this out, I noticed very quickly that I need to line this one up. So you have your two sizes, right? You have your outer layer and then your larger layer. You're going to line up your, what you want to call the inner layer right here to cut out that center to make the shaker. So I'm just going to use a cheap piece of washi tape to keep it in place. I'm going to do it on the inside. Well, hold on. Let me just make sure this is lined up. It is. And then I'm just going to press that down and put one on the other side to make sure it stays in place. And then I'm going to run it through the machine. I just wanted to show you that really quick if you're wanting to make this a shaker, okay? Okay, I'm going to try something a little bit crazy. I want to make a border for my Nintendo Switch that is black, okay? So what I did is I cut out the black paper in this first. Do not stack these next to each other because if they do actually end up going on top of each other, you will ruin not just one die, but two dies, okay? So what I did was I cut it out first in this size, right? And then I cut it out. Now I'm going to cut it out with this one, and I just basically centered it. So I'm hoping this is going to work. I don't really know. We shall see. So I'll get back with you in a second and see how it goes. Okay, so I cut this piece out twice because one, I want to see the background of where I need to put my little Pac-Man piece so I have it centered correctly. And then I have one for my bottom layer, right? And then I did my acetate sheet. I just cut that out by hand. It's no big deal. You know, I'll size it down if I made an error. I think I did pretty good. It's a little bit crooked, but as long as it's in the lines, we're good. Okay. So we've got that, and then I have my top layering piece, which again, you don't need to do this little one that I did. Also, I decided to cut out the buttons in black and white, so we'll see how that goes. So let's go ahead and do the rest of this in a process video, and then we'll get to the card. Oh, I did want to mention that if you are going to use this bottom piece, if you're actually going to use this as an embellishment that you're going to give away, you might want to use like 120-pound cardstock or just kind of cut this out twice. I'm using 110, so it'll be really heavy duty, and I mean like the bottom piece. So anyway, just wanted to put that in there as an FYI just in case. better. I should have used a little bit of the Gold Bond powder, and I mean like a smidge, and then mixed it first because a lot of these are sticking. So that's just a little trick to help prevent that. Or you can use as well this Nuvo anti-fog, anti-static dust repellent, but do know that it takes a while to get it where you can see without any smears, okay? So that is the one problem with that. It's probably better to use a Gold Bond. It is winter here in Florida, and I thought, okay, well, it's not really cold yet, but apparently it is affecting it. So anyway, because we usually have high humidity. So, interesting. And I thought I put enough seed beads in here to distract from that, but apparently I did not. But anyway, so hopefully that tip will help you to prevent static cling. This will eventually stop doing that because here we have such high humidity levels that usually it'll just go back to normal. But anyway, it's looking super cute. Let's go ahead and put the card together. I'm thinking since this little guy here, I believe is, yep, 5 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and make a card that is 4 by 6. So I will have it be a horizontal card. So anyway, well, let me go ahead and finish this up and I'll be back. I just finished my card and I'm so happy. So this is a 4 by 6 card. Love it, love it, love it. I want to let you know again that I did use the KSCraft Gamer Shaker. Have the links down below for that, as well as their birthday shadow words. I use the word celebrate and I just love it. I also decided to use my Jelly Roll Sakura pen. I'll have the link down below for that. And they come in a set, so that was really nice. I also just kind of, edged it around the word. Got to be careful on the T, but anyway, I think I did pretty good. My hands shake quite a bit. So anyway, love how it turned out. It is so stinking cute. And then on the inside, I made this in Adobe. It's Gamers Don't Age, They Level Up. And I found this little red guy on, I just Googled him. I have no idea what website it was from. I just Googled it. And then I put it in Adobe and created a girl, and then created the yellow ghosty. And I also found a Pac-Man PNG as well. I just Googled that. And then I created these little circles here. So I really love how it turned out. I hope you all do too. I hope my son loves it. I'm sure he will. But anyway, I will see you all very soon with another KSCraft Lovers project. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. And again, don't forget to check all the links down below in the description box. And also, please check like and also subscribe if you've never subscribed before and you like my content. Anyway, bye guys.